Place the drip tray beneath the machine. After plugging in, all indicator briefly illuminated. Then only the Ice Clean and Ice Dispense buttons stay lit, with the Ice Clean button glowing red. Pull out the water tank, open the water inlet cover, and fill with drinking water. Close the cover. Insert the water tank properly. When the machine runs out of water, the added water indicator will light up. Press the Ice Clean button once to start ice making. The light will turn white. Press the Ice Dispense button. The outer light rotates, the pusher turns, and ice drops from the outlet. Press again to stop. Dispensing automatically stops after 60 seconds. When the ice basket is full, the Ice Full indicator will light up. Press and hold the Ice Clean button for more than 5 seconds to start the cleaning program. The light of the Ice Clean button turns white, and the cleaning indicator lights up. Press the Ice Clean button again to stop the cycle. The automatic cleaning cycle will start and end automatically after 20 minutes. Then the unit enters standby mode. Remove the drain hose. Pull out the drain plug and let the water flow into the container. Reinsert the drain plug. Put the drain hose back.